Welcome to your new home. It looks fantastic. Let's step inside. The kitchen is ready for setup. Let's open this box. There's the cooktop. We'll choose a safe location for it and follow essential guidelines. To ensure safety and proper functionality, the installation of the cooktop must be performed by an approved gas contractor. Ensure the area around the cooktop is clear of flammable materials. Check all gas connections for tightness and signs of wear. Now that the cooktop is in place, let's set up the gas cylinders.